on a run and gun shoot and every second counts, this tripod is a lifesaver. Its maximum payload is around 20 kilograms, which is more than enough for my setup and probably most people's setups. Tripods. If you capture with camera, you probably have seen one, used one, or you probably maybe you just own one. It's simple. That's the amazing part. It's just simple. You release these, bam. We have a tripod that's standing. If you would just need to get a lower shot, you just unlock these, put it down, and now we have a lower angle. Of course, you can also unlock this and have these legs spread out, get really low angle shots. I was surprised how sturdy it felt even with the heavier rig. There's this confidence that it's not going to wobble when you press record. Stability plus speed of setup. It's really well designed. It has this fluid head that works really well if you need to capture some really smooth, silky moves with tilting, panning, all that good stuff. Like this ring right here, just twist it and it's unlocked. It feels like it's meant to be used by a human. The fun part is that you almost forget that you're using a tripod. Tripods are basic but essential gear, and the T1 solves a real everyday problem: setup time. It's crafted from carbon fiber with a clever snap open leg system. Overall, I really enjoyed this tripod. It was really fun to play around with it. Also, this tripod is currently now on Kickstarter. So if you want to get your own and if you want to support the people who actually are making this, it's very possible. Go check the link and support them, back them up, get your own tripod. It can handle a rigged out camera with ease. It's a strong, reliable, very easy to use tripod. I really enjoyed it. Kickstarter campaigns like this are interesting because they give early adopters a chance to shape a product before it's on shelves, and they often come with special early pricing. If you like what you see and you want to support gear that moves with you, check the Kickstarter link in the description. It's a great tool and I'm using this pretty much, well, not daily, as I don't shoot daily with tripod, but when I use tripods, this is the tripod I'm using. Previously it was Freewell's travel tripod, but now that my camera gear is getting heavier, this is the way to go, at least for me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.